Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the latest addition to our lineup, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. This sleek and versatile 2-in-1 laptop is packed with impressive features that are sure to impress. First off, let's talk about the processor. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 is powered by the 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1235U, which delivers lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking. With 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, you'll have plenty of storage space for all your files and apps. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 comes pre-installed with Windows 11 and Microsoft Office 21, so you're all set for productivity right out of the box. And let's not forget about the backlit keyboard, which makes typing in low light conditions a breeze. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 also features a fingerprint scanner for added security, a high-quality FHD camera for crystal-clear video calls, and Alexa built-in for hands-free control. Plus, with a 3-month subscription to Xbox Game Pass, you'll have access to a vast library of games to enjoy. Weighing in at just 1.5 kilograms, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 is a lightweight and portable powerhouse. So, if you're in the market for a versatile and powerful laptop, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, happy computing!